Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0328, indicates a high voltage issue in the NOx sensor circuit of the Honda Civic models from 2022 onwards. The NOx sensor, crucial for engine performance, detects engine knock or pinging, unwanted combustion noise that can harm the engine. When it detects these knocks, it sends a voltage signal to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which makes adjustments to optimize performance and fuel efficiency. If the voltage signal exceeds a specified limit, the PCM identifies this as an anomaly and triggers the P0328 code. This DTC serves as a warning sign that the engine may not be operating optimally due to potential sensor issues, affecting overall vehicle performance. It's essential to address this DTC without delay to ensure the longevity and effectiveness of the engine. The DTC P0328 points to issues in the NOx sensor circuit, specifically signaling high voltage. The NOx sensor's primary role is to monitor engine vibrations caused by knock, providing critical data to the PCM for timing and fuel mixtures adjustments. This sensor is usually located on the engine block, positioned to accurately detect vibrations. The PCM interprets this data and adjusts the engine's operation accordingly to prevent knock, which can lead to substantial engine damage. The circuit connecting the knock sensor to the PCM carries both the voltage signal and ground inputs. A fault in this circuit could lead to incorrect readings, causing performance deviations. Thus, understanding the function and location of these components is vital for effective troubleshooting. Several factors can lead to the P0328 code. A common cause is a high voltage signal from the NOx sensor itself. This may indicate a fault within the sensor, causing it to send incorrect data to the PCM. Another probable cause is defective wiring between the NOx sensor and the PCM, which could lead to interference or shorts that elevate voltage. Additionally, the PCM can malfunction and incorrectly interpret the signal from the NOx sensor. Each of these factors needs investigation, as they can all independently or collectively lead to the symptom of high voltage in the NOx sensor circuit. Correctly diagnosing these causes is fundamental for determining the right course of action. It is crucial to recognize the symptoms associated with DTC P0328. A prominently observed symptom is a decrease in overall engine performance. As the engine may experience unwanted knocks, the PCM will struggle to maintain efficiency, leading to performance lags. The check engine light typically illuminates, signaling drivers to inspect the vehicle's diagnostics. Additionally, drivers may notice increased fuel consumption, a consequence of improper timing adjustments made by the PCM. A rough or unstable idle could also occur, as the PCM attempts to make constant adjustments to mitigate knocks detected by the NOx sensor. Observing these symptoms can guide technicians in their diagnostic approach. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0328 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode. This initiates the electrical systems, allowing for proper testing of the circuits involved. Once in this mode, technicians should measure the output voltage from the NOx sensor. Normal conditions should reflect around 5.0 volts. If the voltage measurement aligns with expectations, this implies that the NOx sensor itself may be at fault. Conversely, if the voltage does not meet this normal threshold, attention must shift to other related components, indicating an anomaly elsewhere in the circuit. It is imperative to have reliable testing equipment to confirm these values accurately. Following the initial inspection, the next troubleshooting step involves conducting a thorough wire inspection for open circuits in the NOx sensor and KSGND, the ground line for the NOx sensor. Prior to disconnecting the PCM connector, technicians must jump the SCS line using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, and wait more than 1 minute to ensure valid readings. After disconnecting the knock sensor 2P connector and the PCM E80P connector, the continuity test can be performed. Normal conditions should show that resistance is less than 1 ohm. If the resistance is higher or infinite, issues exist within the connection or circuit path, requiring further examination and repair. After confirming the wire and sensor conditions, if all preceding tests return normal results, the troubleshooting process shifts to evaluating the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. If other inspections indicate a functional status, the PCM is likely at fault. A malfunctioning PCM can send incorrect signals and prevent appropriate adjustments from occurring. Troubleshooting the PCM may require advanced diagnostic tools to determine any faults within the module itself. It may also be necessary to examine other components associated with the PCM's functionality and ensure that all wiring aligns with the vehicle's circuitry specifications. Verifying that the connections to the PCM are intact ensures that there are no indirect causes that could lead to the P0328 code. To confirm successful repairs following troubleshooting, it is critical to clear the Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, memory in the PCM. After clearing the code, conducting a test drive of the vehicle allows the technician to recreate operating conditions to observe whether the issue resurfaces. During the test drive, monitoring for proper engine performance and any indication of a warning light specifically regarding the knock sensor must occur. Post-test, rechecking the vehicle for any residual DTCs ensures that the problem has been addressed entirely. If the DTC reappears, a reevaluation of the previous troubleshooting steps may be necessary to ensure no underlying issues persist. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in averting recurring issues with the DTC P0328. Scheduling regular inspections allows for early detection of possible failures in the knock sensor or wiring. Providing maintenance checks on engine performance can highlight any unusual behavior before it culminates in more severe problems. Technicians should also check for software updates to the PCM that can enhance functionality and performance, ensuring the system operates optimally. Promptly addressing any warning lights can also mitigate risks. Adopting a proactive maintenance schedule ensures long-term reliability and performance of the engine. In summary, DTC P0328 signifies a high voltage issue within the knock sensor circuit, warranting immediate attention. Thorough inspections focusing on the knock sensor, wiring, and PCM are crucial to correctly diagnosing and resolving the problem. By systematically following troubleshooting steps, technicians can identify faulty components and rectify them, thus advancing engine performance. Engaging in regular maintenance and monitoring can significantly decrease the likelihood of encountering similar DTCs in the future. Ultimately, ensuring all components are functioning correctly not only improves engine efficiency, but also enhances the driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.